In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on Skype using their Skype ID. Navigating the digital landscape of communication platforms like Skype can be a bit tricky at times, especially when you're looking to connect with someone specific. Have no fear though, I'm here to walk you through the simple steps of adding a contact using just their Skype ID. Whether it's for professional networking or keeping in touch with friends and family, by the end of this guide, you'll be a pro at connecting with others on Skype. Let's start with the basics. First things first, you'll want to make your way to the Skype website. Once you're there, you're going to see an option to open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click on that. If you're prompted to sign in, do so using your account details. It's a straightforward process, and for those of you who might be logging in for the first time in a while, it's a good opportunity to re-familiarize yourself with the Skype interface. With that out of the way, your next step is to locate the search bar. You'll find this at the top left of the screen. The search bar is your gateway to finding contacts, old and new. Here you're going to type in or paste the Skype ID of the person you wish to reach. Skype IDs are unique identifiers for each user, ensuring that you connect with the right person. After entering the Skype ID, hit enter on your keyboard. This action commands Skype to scour its vast network for the ID you've entered. It's a bit like sending out a digital signal flare, hoping for a specific response. As soon as Skype presents you with the results, your task is to click on the account that matches the Skype ID you're looking for. It's essential to make sure that the details align to avoid any mix-ups. This step is akin to recognizing a face in a crowd after you've been given a description. Finally, once you've found and selected the correct account, all that's left to do is to start chatting. The world of Skype awaits, filled with possibilities for connection and conversation. Whether it's a quick catch-up, a lengthy discussion, or an important professional meetup, you're now equipped to navigate it with ease. And that's all there is to it. Adding someone on Skype using their Skype ID is a simple, straightforward process that opens up new avenues for communication. Remember, the digital world is your oyster, and platforms like Skype are tools at your disposal to explore it. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to reach out and connect with someone today. Happy Skyping!